Yellowbird's clone. So you just magically turn into a squirrel? Yeah, dude, this is so embarrassing. I don't want to be a freaking Squirtle. I want to be a Charmander. Huh? Hey, guys. Oh my gosh, it's a Pokemon. I gotta get a Pokeball. Dude, it's me. It's Koopa. Somebody turned me into a weird looking Pokemon. What did it? I don't know. Hey, guys. Yeah, hey there, guys. Oh, dude. Can you please explain why I'm a squirrel? Oh, sorry, you ran into one of my new machines. Come on. What are we doing? I don't know. Come on. Okay. Whee. Gotta see what they're up to. Alright, guys. So, this is what I got so far. What is all this stuff? Oh, all this stuff right here is all the stuff that I used in some inventions. I'm gonna sell them online for about $4. Each? No, $400. Ah. Ooh, and here's a test subject. Wait, no, I'm not a test subject. I'm a freaking Yellowbird. Okay, yeah. Oh no! So I turn the box over. Yeah. Oh no! You're not supposed to do that! Yellowbird, you're okay! Yeah, I'm okay. Why you think that? I mean, of course I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay too. What? What the heck happened? Yeah, dude, what happened? Ooh, that was the cloner. I was supposed to call them to repair it. Yeah, looks like Yellowbird has two twins. Yuck! Ah, my beak! My beak is made of steel. Ow! This won't be a very great fight, though. I know. Alright. Let's get ready to rumble! Alright, but first I need to get a ring. And that will take... I bet you it will take about a few seconds. I bet you it will take about an hour. 5.5 seconds there. Got it. What? Huh? You have to get me all your money. I hate you so much. Alright, let's get ready to rumble. In this corner, we have Yellowbird weighing in at 17 pounds and weighing in at about 0 inches and 2 centimeters. And in the other corner, we have Yellowbird weighing in about the same as him. Alright, guys, so here's the plan. So, nobody gets hurt, and let's do this. I said nobody getting hurt. Well, they're both Angry Birds. Dude, this fight is awesome. I know. Wow. Luigi. What are you guys doing here? Oh, we just didn't want to fight. Yeah! Luigi. It's Luigi. Hey, this is awesome. Sonic? Hey, I hate you. Where to? Buckety. Yoshi. Sure. Oh no, dude. If he sees me, I am doomed. Why? I owe him about $400. Pokebucks. Oh man, I'd have to gamble. Luigi, I need the item. What are you doing in my swamp? What the hell? I don't like the sound of this. Time for you to die, clone. Wait! Don't do this. You see, we can do it like this. I can help you on tests. I'm smarter than you, faster than you. You're not faster than me, we're the same speed. Oh. Well, I'm smarter than you. Please don't do this. I can help you in school. What? I made my decision. Die! 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a WWE ring, not a real, not boxing ring. Oh, well, what do I do then? Oh, I'm supposed to do this. He doesn't have shoulders. Screw it, I'm just doing this. Oh, so what do I do now? Then? No, you have to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah! Burbershire. That was awesome. Is he really dead? Nope. No, that's it. I'm destroying all my projects. You know what? I got an idea. Hey, Cody, come over here. Let's work together. Yep. In a few minutes. So, I'm going to turn the nerdy Cody from this universe to the Cody from the Super Mario Logan universe. Minus Ken. Wait, what? 9 minutes later. Where's Ken? Ken! This is gonna be a bumpy ride. Dude, what about me? Oh, you're gonna turn back to normal in the next episode. Better. So yeah, that's it, guys. So we now have 2 yellow birds. This one I got off of eBay. This one is the original. So hey guys, I'm gonna do a series on Yellowbird's family. Not fan-ally. Family. Plus, I also got 2 new. I also got this emoji and a new emoji. I got the winky face emoji. So yeah, guys. So the main reason why I used the Squirtle plush is because I can't find my Koopa trip. And guys, I am going to be using the Cody from Super Mario Logan instead of the Kamek or Magic Koopa one. I hate you, Alex. Hey. So hey guys, Punchman Randy Savage. Before you ask, no, I'm not going to get a Ken plush. I mean, a Ken toy. There's no way. You know what? I am just going to use Macho Man Randy Savage. Just kidding. I don't know what I'm going to use in the future, but I am going to find a new one. Because Macho Man, that's my dad's. I don't know who to use for this. There's going to be a series with Yellow Ridge family. I'm going to find Koopa and do another video. Also, guys, I am leaving YouTube. April Fools! I'm going to have you guys there on that one. So, hey guys, that's it. And peace out. Happy April Fool's Day. And tomorrow is going to be Ground Zero West Park.